Hey guys, this is Chris with Bluegrass Auto Works again. Today I'm going to be ceramic coating these wheels with McKee's 37's wheel coating. I'm also going to be using extreme iron remover and foaming wheel cleaner to clean the wheels up and get them prepped. And then I'll also be using tire and rubber rejuvenator to clean all the dressing off the tires as well.
These wheels and tires were pretty clean to begin with. I will have to clean out the barrels on them, but overall they're in really good shape. The owner chose to ceramic coat these wheels in hopes of slowing down a problem these wheels have with the chrome finish flaking off of them. He knows it won't stop it altogether, but he's hoping at least it'll slow the process down and also make them easier to clean in the meantime. First, I'm going to clean the tires. I'm using tire and rubber rejuvenator. As you can see, it's not doing a great job of penetrating. The tire has some kind of dressing on it that I'm not sure what it is, and the owner wasn't either, but I couldn't get any product to penetrate through it. So I decided to rinse it off and just move on. Next, we're going to clean the wheels. I'm using McKee's 37's foaming wheel cleaner here. Foaming wheel cleaner is one of my favorite products to use. It does a really good job of breaking down brake dust and iron deposits on the wheel. It's also a color changing product like other wheel cleaners on the market. The longer it sits on brake dust and iron deposits, it changes color to tell you that it's working. I usually let the product sit on the surface for a minute or two, and then I begin cleaning the wheel with brushes to help agitate the product and then rinse it off. Here you can already see how foaming wheel cleaner has begun to break down the iron deposits and brake dust on the back of the wheel. It's already begun to change color and go to work. Now I'm going to begin cleaning the inside of the wheel. I'm going to use a stiff bristle wheel brush to clean the barrel with, and then I have various other brushes I use to clean inside the spokes with and the back of the spokes. Now I'm going to spray both sides of the wheel down with extreme iron remover to help break down any remaining iron deposits or brake dust on the wheel. You want to make sure to get as much of the contamination off the wheel as possible before applying a coating to it. Once you've decontaminated the wheels, make sure to rinse them thoroughly and dry them well before applying the coating. Take your coating applicator and spray the coating directly on it, and then apply it to the wheel surface. Make sure to take your time and get a good even coverage over the entire wheel surface. Also make sure that you coat in between the spokes as well. You don't want to miss any areas or you will notice it when you're done. Once you've thoroughly coated the front side of the wheel and looked over it to make sure there aren't any high spots, move on to the back side. Doing the same steps as before, spray the coating directly on the applicator and apply it directly to the wheel. Make sure to take your time on the back side of the wheel. The wheel barrel itself is very easy to coat, but behind the spokes can be a little difficult to get the coating down into properly, so just take your time and work slowly to make sure you get proper coverage. And as you can see, these wheels came out looking great. The coating was super easy to apply, but like any ceramic coating, it's all in the prep work beforehand. So make sure that you properly decontaminate and clean your wheels before applying the coating, or it will not adhere to them properly. The coating will last up to 1 year, and you should only have to clean your wheels going forward with soap and water. You can use a more aggressive cleaner on it, but it's simply not necessary. The coating is chemical resistant though if you do decide to use a dedicated wheel cleaner on it. So if you're looking for an easy to use wheel coating for your wheels, I highly recommend McKee's 37's wheel coating. You can pick it up on McKee's37.com. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.